This is the vendor room at Microwave Update 2007.
No, it doesn't.
Over here we have representatives from Rhodes and Schwartz. Various test equipment.
Looks like it's
Testing a filter right now.
It only looks like it's a couple of holes. I'll add some more points. Oh yeah. Let's try something else here.
What's the mark?
432, Bruce?
432.1.
All right.
Set it at.
Okay, for what, the center?
Yeah, center, please.
Over here we have Downey's microwave. Kind of tough to see everything on the table, but quite a few wares here. Here's Steve N2CI. A lot of people.
Halo antennas? No, I didn't.
I talked to the guy.
I'll get it.
There's Jeff, K3DUA. RF connection. And the Pack Rats group has quite a bit of refreshments out.
In fact, you know,
All W1GH said. Lots of